I'm here in part of Cebu. I'm going to Arok City. Yes, I'm going to Arok City. Time check is like, parang it's like 8 o'clock, around 8 o'clock. Mahulog tayo ng bongga. So, actually, hindi ako bago nito na sumakay ng barko kasi when I was a kid, I already sumakay ito kasi nung bata pa ako, pabalik-balik ako dito sa Cebu. Yes, so later magtutour tayo sa barko, charit. Ayan siya, oh, diba? So of course, kung bago ka sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. There pa, oh. Diba? I know you have already an idea kung saan yung barko, diba? Okay. Look, bato with charas. Diba ito, maulit ko ang Armak just because check up ni mama. So, economy A mang po. So, saka sa ako pa yun. So, ayan. Diba? So, second floor, cut 15. Thank you. Malapit ako sa restaurant. Hindi alam ko naman kung saang floor. Tinatanong ko lang kasi mahitsura yung lalaki. Charis. Hindi naman ako nagmamadali. So, nagbarko ako kasi kung nagmamadali ako, I'm gonna, yung fast crab. Tapos mahal kasi yung fast crab, 1,000. And then, ito kasi 600 lang, so maka-save ka.
Ma'am? 246 dito, mama.
15?
15 diyan.
I'm near in a restaurant, guys. Oh my god. Ang layo ng CR. Ayan, guys. Oh, diba ba? So, hanapin ko muna yung I will look for my deck. Deck, ito siya. Upper nga. Nasa taas. I found it already. Here. Number 15. Yes. 15. Charis. Diba? Wala pa masyadong pasahero. Kasi sinusundo pa. Pasensya na sa boses ko. Medyo pangit, charis. So, ito po yun. I'm sure alikabok to. So, anuhin ko muna siya. Pupunasan siya ng alcohol and tissue. Of course, I have. Meron ako. I have alcohol. Para sure na malinis. Kasi matulog ako kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. Diba? So excited to see our mom. Yes guys, see you in a bit or mom. Oh sure. Thank you. Okay. Kuha lang. Bako lang yan. Sige. Kuha lang kuya. Ayan o. Diba? Sharing is loving, guys. Ganon. Di may nanghingi lang ng tissue. So, ibigyan natin of course. So, hindi tayo satisfied sa alcohol lang at saka tissue. Iwawipe ko siya ng wet wipes. Ate, meron pa ha. Baka kulang pa. Meron pa. Kasi last month, umuwi din ako. Ito din yung sinakyan ko. Kaso yung deck number ko is 164. So doon ako banda din. Nasa lower deck siya. Ako ngayon naman upper. Diba? So, I'm gonna sleep talaga kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko kasi I have ubo and sipon. Yes, super. Yes, yeah. Of course, with whites. With whites. Diba? Bongga. Then actually, I bring also a blanket because dito kasi may blanket sila but you need to rent. It's like 150 deposit, I think. Yeah, so it's so very expensive. It's only a blanket but it's not practical. So since wala naman ako masyadong dala ng mga things or stuff or whatever, so nagdala na lang ako ng blanket ko. Yes, of course. Here, oh, this is my blanket. Then I bring also a, what do you call this, foot sack, and I bring also an underwear. Baka wala akong underwear dun sa Ormoc.
Inform you that this vessel is bound for Ormoc City. Any passengers who are bound to other destination, please do not mistake your routes or purchase reward nourish you for your assistance. Once again, to all family passengers, we would like to inform you that this vessel is bound for Ormoc City. Any passengers who are bound to other destination, please do not mistake your routes or purchase reward nourish you for your assistance. Thank you.
Ilipin tayo mo, ma'am. Ba tayo number mo? 14? Tara.
See you later. So guys, since I'm paying Charis, I'm gonna go to CR first. Diba? This is Robles Shipping Line. Charis. We'll see kung ano dito. Tapos ito yung parang KTV bar nila. Open to siya lang. So ayan guys. Look. As you can see, diba, bongga, cherry. The company is like Robles Shipping Lines, but the name of the boat is Teresian. Teresian, right? Yeah, Teresian. Something like that. So, as you can see, oh, wala pa masyadong pasahero. See, ang daming vacant seat. Then later, magdi-dinner ako. Yata doon sa restaurant kasi hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner. Before ako napunta ng terminal, kumain ako just a little bit of, you know, konti lang. Ito sitting to. So, yan. Ano siya? Tawag dito. Lord, teach me the statue. So, let's pray for a while muna. Parang hingi tayo ng guidance and protection. Yes. So, see you, Charis. Yes, guys. I'm here na in my bed. Waiting for the time. Charis. Ito ay mo, lakaw ko din siya or malarga siya is 10 p.m. pa. Tapos boarding time nila is 8. So, yun. Then, mahagat lang ako dito kasi gusto ko nang humiga kasi masakit yung ulo ko talaga. Yes, kasi as you heard naman no, my voice parang paos because of my sipon, you know. And of course, ito ay yung story talaga bakit ako nandito or what. Uwi ako ng Ormoc kasi bukas nga check up ng mom ko ng bongga. Yes. So, hindi naman nagmamadali or what. So, So ito na lang yung sinakyan ko kasi nga yung first crop nga is like Ocean Jet and Supercat is fully booked. Fully booked na siya. Weekend kasi uwian. So madami umuwi or what. Ganon. So kanina nakita nyo naman na medyo maliit pa yung pasahero. Pero ngayon medyo dumami. Ayun. So, basta dumami siya. As in, madaming passenger ngayon, unlike before. Kasi last month, umuwi din ako, no? Same time. Ganito at the same day, Friday. Kasi Saturday yung check-up ng ma'am. So, umuwi ako. Then, babalik din naman ako ng park. Sunday. Sunday ng umaga. But, pinag-isipan ko pa kung mag-fast trap ako or ito din. Kasi ito na barko, pag nandun sa Ormoc, yung time niya is 11 a.m. 11 a.m. ng umaga siya, alis doon. So, darating dito ng hapon. Ano kasi ito, parang 6 hours yung travel nito. It's like 10. So, darating to mga 4 yata or 4:30, something like. So, madaling araw pa, diba? So, I need to rest talaga. Kasi I'm not feeling well talaga. But I need to ulit. Kasi nga yung mom ko ayaw sumama sa mga pinsan ko na mag-check up. Gusto niya ako. Tinanong ko nga siya na pasamahan ko lang siya. Sabi niya ayaw daw niya. Gusto niya ako. So yun. Request ng Motora. Uwi tayo. Bahala na ang mahalang pamasahe or what. Kaya laban. Diba? So, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and everything you can do, just do it. Just gawin nyo na kung anong gusto nyo gawin. Yeah, so have a good night everyone. See you for the next vlog. I love you.